Are you tired of your Epson WF-4720 stopping in the middle of a job because of ink level errors? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Chipless Firmware. This modification allows you to print non-stop, using a CISS system without ever needing to reset Inkchips again. Let's get started. First, you will need a computer or laptop running Windows operating system, a standard printer USB cable. Downloaded both the firmware updater dot and the activation software from Inkchip.net website. Connect your printer to the power outlet dot and link it to your PC via USB cable. Open the firmware application dot on your computer. Follow the on-screen wizard by clicking Next. Once the software detects your printer, click Start and confirm with Yes. The software is now replacing the printer's internal system. Once you see the word Finished, turn the device off and power on again. Open the activation tool on your computer, select your USB-connected printer dot and click Activate Online. Go to the website Inkchip.net. I've also put the link in the description below. On the site, go to the Buy menu. Select your printer brand and series. In this example, I'm choosing the Epson WorkForce series. Scroll down to find your specific model, like the WF-4720 here. Make sure it matches your printer, then click the blue Add to Cart button. Now, here is the important part. In the Cart section, look for the coupon code box. Type in .T-Repair, that is T-Repair. You'll see the total go down from $30 to $27 instantly. Paste your purchased activation key here and hit OK. Thanks for watching.